the chiving caster.
Reviving the monster. The Schwerer Gustav, the largest ever constructed. Once a symbol of overwhelming force.
Watch the starboard side! Easy now! Bring it left, bring it left! We've got it!
How much longer on those supports? 2 more bolts and we're good to move.
The rust is completely gone. Look how stable that surface is now.
It worked better than we expected. This is a huge success.
Nuclear the nest. The 1941 schematics confirm this is the main support structure.
There it goes, we have separation.
Incredible! That chemical soak paid off!
The restoration follows a strict assembly line approach. We begin with disassembly at Station 1. While the exterior shews its age, these high-performance sealed bearings modernize the Gustav, packed with waterproof grease for lasting protection.
Easy now, watch your hands. It's seated.
After all this time, she finally stands again. Look at that! Incredible! We did it!
Opening the bypass now.
To restore the Gustav, every hydraulic component must meet the original specifications.
Slow down, easy now. We're drifting left, bring it right a fraction. Hold it steady on the lines.
Elevation achieved. 30 degrees exactly.
It works! It works! It actually works!
Carriage roll verified. Elevation system nominal. Traverse confirmed. Braking system engaged. Restoration complete.
Torque is within specification and the safety systems are active.
The welds and finish are accurate the period.
This immense weapon, weighing over 1,300 tons, fired shells weighing 7 tons each.
This restoration will educate future generations about history and engineering. It is the preservation of knowledge.
Look how big it is! I can't believe they moved this whole thing.
Hold it there. We need to check the alignment before we move it further inside.
Copy that, copy that. Everyone stand clear. All right, lower it slowly. Easy now.
Wheels are seated, engineer.
Lock it down. Secure the clamps.
The Schwerer Gustav, seen here during its extensive restoration, was the largest caliber rifled weapon ever used in combat.
As you can see from the corrosion, the gun was heavily damaged before its capture.
The Schwerer Gustav was an unprecedented logistical challenge.
The scale of the Gustav required immense resources to deploy.
This corrosion highlights its exposure over the decade.
The success here allowed us to greenlight the Mediterranean project.
And look at the progress in the Pacific. We're setting a new standard.
Digital 3D scanning and precision CNC manufacturing allowed us to restore the Gustav.
The shell weight was immense, nearly 7 tons.